Have you ever wondered why two leaves falling from the same tree land in completely different places? This seemingly simple question can lead us to an understanding of one of the most fascinating concepts in science, the chaos theory. Picture a game of billiards. You hit the cue ball and it strikes other balls, sending them bouncing around the table. Now, if you knew the exact speed and direction of your shot, could you predict where every ball would end up? You might think so, but in reality, even the smallest variation in your shot could lead to dramatically different outcomes. This is the essence of chaos theory. Chaos theory, despite its name, isn't about disorder. In fact, it's about finding underlying patterns, repetitions, and structures in what appears to be random or chaotic. It's a bit like finding a needle in a haystack, but instead of a needle, you're looking for a specific strand of hay. Consider a flock of birds. To an observer, their movements may seem random and unpredictable. But if we zoom in, we might notice that each bird is following simple rules, like maintaining a certain distance from its neighbors. These simple rules, when applied across the whole flock, create complex, chaotic patterns. Now, you might be wondering, so how does chaos theory affect me? Well, it's everywhere. It's in the weather forecast, the stock market, and even in our bodies. When your heart beats, it doesn't do so at a constant rate, but rather it beats in a complex pattern that doctors can analyze to monitor your health. Chaos theory also has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It tells us that even in a deterministic system, where the future state of the system is determined by its current state, we can't predict the system's future with absolute certainty. This is due to what's called sensitive dependence on initial conditions, or more commonly known as the butterfly effect. The idea is that a small change, like the flap of a butterfly's wings, can cause a chain of events leading to a large effect like a tornado. To summarize, chaos theory is the study of how simple rules can lead to complex behaviors, and how seemingly random events can have an underlying order. It's a fascinating field that touches every aspect of our lives, from the beating of our hearts to the movement of the stars in the sky. It shows us that the universe isn't as chaotic as it seems, but rather it's a complex system of patterns and structures that we're just beginning to understand.